Hi everyone, Hamza this side. Today I'm going to walk you through my newest project. It's Social Stock Insight, an AI-powered platform where traders share stock analysis and get personalized LLM-ranked content feed. It's kind of like a Twitter meets with Bloomberg and powered by GPT and other AI models. So the problem is there is a flood of stock analysis content online, but finding a quality insight is like finding a needle. How do you filter those signal? So we are using AI for solving this problem, and it's built on Next.js 15 for the front end, and we're using fast API in Python for orchestrating our all business layer, service layer for the business logic, authentication, and other services. So the AI brain is basically we are using GPT-4, which analyzes the every post of the user in real time, and we also integrating Yahoo Finance for live market data, and everything is running on Docker, Postgres, SQL, and Redis. And we are also using stock tweets API for the bearish sentiments. So the GPT-4 is analyzing the content for the quality, like the if user is uploading any type of analysis or any type of comments on any kind of sector or any kind of stocks, the chat gpt and our llm is going to do the deep research on it and then give a feedback, and it's going to be showed on the dashboard so user can see what right now where is the market is going. And so for the live market integration, it's kind of user can do direct message, follows, post, and reaction comments. It's generally basis on this the LLM will decide which stock you should need to invest right now. So the current prices is kind of, let me show you the front end first. So this is our the front end, and this is the live market intelligence. So it's showing the where is the stocks are going, current prices, 24-hour change, percentages, volume spikes, and market signals. So here is the this is the dashboard. We can see to summarize all the stocks. We can go on balanced quality first. We can see these are the SML signals weight, and this is the market momentum, expert insight, diverse mix. So the GPT-4 for content analysis is kind of quality, tags, summaries, and SML ranking is by the Yahoo API, and it's kind of 5 weighted signal. And Yahoo Finance API is for the live data, and we can show you these are the ranking strategy. And let me show you something like you can contribute, like any kind of any trader can contribute about the current market scenario, and the LLM will decide what's the best for it. And these are the top insights right now, and we can go like if you want to share your analysis. I added some demo example, like if you are giving on Nvidia stocks and adding this. So this gonna do post the in the backend, and the LLM will decide. So when you post, our LLM will automatically calculate the quality score based on your current content depth, extract sentiment, bullish or bearish signals, and fetch live market data for mentioned triggers, and rank post in personalized feed using machine learning. So see, we just uploaded a stock analysis, and the quality score is right now 91. So the LLM is deciding is it best or not, and like you can see different type of users going to different types of traders going to do some kind of twitter thing, commenting on stocks, sharing some analysis, and our llm is going to decide what is the best for it, what is the best share to invest, and what you can decide, like after seeing the dashboard you can decide where should I need to invest or not. And you can do, like you can do chat too, like if we go we can do chat here on the stocks. On the basis of chats, the llm is also going to decide which stock is best or not.